Yeah.
Okay, I just finished rewiring all the network cables in the house, and all my networking devices I wall mount it here using a board. It's an ordinary board, by the way. I know I can use a shorter cable. Maybe I will do that next time. Okay, so anyways, here's my ISP modem. It's the PLDT. I have here the switch hub gigabit from D-Link. It's an 8-port, and this one is another router, but I convert this to access point because you cannot run two routers at the same time in a one network. So yeah, I have to convert this to access point, and this will give us Wi-Fi connection here in the house. Okay, here's where the cable goes, going up there and going to the ceiling, because I have one computer here and one laptop. That's my brother's room. He has also one computer there, and that's my parents' room. They have also one desktop computer. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then 4 here in our living room. So we have 4 computers connecting to this network hub. Okay, and yeah, we have iPad, a tab, a laptop. All of them will connect here on my access point. Yeah, I have to put all my networking devices here for easy access for troubleshooting if in case one of them will fail. And yeah, that's about it. I got a Core i7. It's a 4790, and HyperX, total of 16 gig. Motherboard from Asus. Actually, I got 2, and Quadro K2200 from Nvidia. Just assemble this device, and here it now. Okay, you open. Okay, open. You open. You. We'll see. Happy birthday, Gap Gap. Happy birthday, Gap Gap. Wow. What's that? It's a Ferrari. Wow. No, you wait lang. Wow.
A few moments later.
You stand up.
Sige.
You stand up.
Stand up.
Okay.
Stand up, Ginger.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Blow rin ka daw. Uy! 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 Uy!
Kung nauman, silang ngipon.
Nauuhaw. Hindi mo pang kiway ngipon.
Puro sa laway.
I give up.